Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create sprint in ClickUp. So first of all, just open your ClickUp account. Now, click on your profile icon on top left corner and here, click on apps. Now go on all ClickUp apps and here, just go on the search bar and type sprint. Okay, now here it is. Enable this option. Okay, alright. Now just click on this plus icon in your space and you will see this folder, a sprint folder. Just click on it. Alright, now just give it a name. You can customize it, time estimate, custom field, whatever you want. Now choose date from here. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Choose the duration of your sprint. So I'm going with 1 week. Alright. Now click on next. You can also change setting from over here. Alright, now click on next. These are all business plan. So if you want to enable it, just buy a business plan and enable it. Okay. Now click on create. Now as you can see, you can add task by going over here on top right corner. Board, or if you want to add something else, just click on this view. You can add calendar, Kanban form, dashboard activity, Google Maps, Google Doc, Google Calendar, YouTube videos, or Google Sheets. That's pretty much it for the video. Thanks for watching.